Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStreet.com, and today we are here at Mobile World Congress 2015 here in Shanghai, and we are right now at the Intex booth, and we have a new device which has been announced today. This is coming to India by August 2015, and this is a smartwatch they have announced. This smartwatch looks a lot like Apple Watch. In terms of build quality and design, it is good, and the build quality is definitely good because they have used metal on the edges as well as at the back side, and on the front they have used sapphire glass. So there is sapphire glass on this watch as per the information which we have got. We will test it later. We have got this metal part as well, which is also nice. So they have used metal at most of the part on this watch, which definitely gives it a very good build quality, and a very good design aspect is also there, although it looks a lot like Apple Watch. Talking about connectivity options, we have SIM card connectivity over there. You can insert a micro SIM into this watch, and you can also insert a micro SD memory card through this slot again, and you can expand the storage up to 32 GB maximum. It comes with 4 GB of internal storage, which will give you around 1.2 GB of user available memory. You have these watch faces which you can change. You have approximately 11 watch faces in which you can toggle, and this is how it looks like. It does have the feature of turning off the screen by clicking this button. This button can allow you to turn on the display and turn off the display to save battery, and you can also double tap to wake up the watch like this, and you have this button over there which is the back button, and this is the camera. There is no option of connecting this watch to your PC or to your smartphone. There is no micro USB port, but it has a dock connector over there so that you can actually mount it on a dock and charge it. That's how it will get charged. There is no option of connecting this to your PC or smartphone in any way. Talking about the strap is made up of rubber. It is nice in terms of the material. It does not feel bad when you wear it. It is nice again. In terms of the overall build quality, I really like the build quality of this smartwatch. And one thing which they have done nicely is that they have added Android KitKat on this watch. So there is Android KitKat just like a normal smartphone. You have Android KitKat on this watch as well, which is full-fledged Android KitKat, and you have all the regular options which you see on a smartphone. Let me just first of all show you the settings and show you the version of Android. So first of all, I would like to show you the version of Android, which is Android KitKat 4.4.2, which is nice, and we have 4 GB of internal storage on this watch, as I already told you, and this is the button which allows you to go back. So let me just first of all go to storage. On the storage front, we have 4 GB internal storage, and we have 1.27 GB available to the user. Again, the exact available storage is 1.09, so 1 GB approximately you will get on this device, but you have the option of changing the default write disk as well, which is nice. This watch comes in 3 colors. This is the black variant. They also have a pink and one more color as well, which is the orange one. Let me just come. We do have support for tethering as well. You can create a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So it is a full-fledged phone which you are wearing in your hand. You can do almost anything you would like to do that on this particular device. Let me just come back and show you some of the applications which are there. So we have a clock application, which is like the same application which you see on KitKat, and we have other applications like music player as well, which is also very much similar to the interface which you see on a normal Android phone which has KitKat. So as you can see, this is the kind of music player you have, and you do have speakers on this watch, so you can play the music and you can listen to the music. You can increase the volume as well, like this. Basically this is for the forward, but you can increase volume as well. So all this can be done on this watch. Let me just come back, and the music is right now playing in the background, which is definitely a good thing. Let me just first of all stop the music before we proceed further. And I would like to show you some more applications which are there. You have a messaging application as well, so you can actually compose a new message and type on this watch. You do not have swipe to type. The keyboard keys are very small, so it might be difficult for you to type on this watch, especially with 2 fingers. But with one finger you can actually type on this smartwatch, which is a nice thing. Let me just come back and show you some more things. Okay, we cancel that. So we have a phone dialer as well. You can dial the number, you can receive calls, you can reply to messages, as I already told you. So you have a pedometer pro sensor as well. So you have pedometer sensor as well, which is powered with the help of this application. So the sensor is powering this application, and you can actually track your steps and work out as well. We have other applications as well coming on this watch, which includes voice search, and you have clock application over there, which I already showed you. I would like to show you the calculator application. So this is how the calculator works. You can do simple calculation on this watch, and you have a calendar application as well. So you can do you can see the calendar appointments and you can see all the details just like you see on a smartwatch. So this is all we have as far as the quick hands-on of this new watch, which is coming from Intex. It is coming to India very soon. It has got great build quality, very good design, and in terms of the looks, it looks a lot like Apple Watch. So in terms of design, you may call it that this is kind of look alike for Apple Watch, but doesn't make a difference. It has a lot of features. It has also got a good battery inside, considering this device has got 600 milliampere battery, which is again almost double the battery which you get on Apple Watch, and also on Apple Watch it is 200 something, so it is almost 3 times the battery which you get on Apple Watch. And the battery, when compared to Moto 360, it is almost 2 times the battery which we have on this watch compared to Moto 360. So this is all we have as far as the quick hands-on. Do let me know if you have any specific questions. We would love to help you. You can like this video help me by clicking the like button.